Good evening mga kahabi. So this is now our rabbit who is Dina, who just give birth this morning. And then if you notice, if you look at that, it is really filled with her fur. This is what I really love about this female rabbit. So about Dina. So she really provide her kids with lots of her fur, and then that is to prevent them from getting cold, especially these bare months. Early in the morning is really very cold. And then aside from that, we provided also her with nesting materials like the moringa leaves and the corrugated cardboard or the cartoon. And then we just make sure that she's always have a food and a water, especially with water, since she is milking her babies. And then still I didn't touch her babies yet. I don't want her to get stressed and then abandon her babies. But I think so far there are 5 kids, I think. And then one of them is maybe this is brown. There is one broken color, so same with her. So that's it for now mga kabi, update of her kids. So keep posted.